Alright, so I'm going to show you how I keep my water clean in the pond. During summers, a lot of algae, and nature is very powerful. You cannot keep it sparkling clean, but relatively speaking, you can keep it clean enough where you can see the fish. So I just replace the water, still looks green. So what you have to do is buy this thing called hydrogen peroxide 3%. It can be any brand, it doesn't matter. So, and then you buy this guy, and that's a bacteria that helps the pond, right? This is a good beneficial bacteria that will eat away the waste, so that the water algae will not have much to eat, because this bacteria will eat away all the fish waste and fish poop, nitrates, it will convert them, which comes out of the poop and the urine of the fish. And once they're converted, the algae doesn't have much to eat, so it'll take over that bacteria. So what you do, first add the bacteria, wait for about a week or so, because these are like beneficial living bacteria. You don't want to add hydrogen peroxide along with this. You just add this for a week, wait for a week or so, 7 to 10 days. After that, you take hydrogen peroxide 3%, mix it in a bucket. So I have a pond about 1,000 gallons, so I mixed up about 50 ounce, since I have a 1,000-gallon pond. I mixed up about 50 ounce of the hydrogen peroxide in a bucket of water, because it's kind of strong. You have to dilute, and you should put this away from the fish. If the fish is nearby, make sure you put in an area where fish is not there. I'm going to put it in my overflow box, so slowly it will release, so it doesn't have a big shock to the fish, because the fish can get shocked by hydrogen peroxide. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put some in the overflow box, the waterfall box. It will release slowly into the water. That's what you want. You want this to be released slowly, okay? Another thing you can do is put half of this water with hydrogen peroxide mixed in, and after about hour or 2 hours, you put the other half. Spread around the pond, or put it in your waterfall filter box. That's my waterfall filter box. I'm going to put it there. So either way, whatever is easy for you, you can do. All right, kids, don't fall in the water, okay? So for me, that is my filter box. I'm going to put hydrogen peroxide right in there. All right, you see? All right, you need 2 hands to do this, but that's what you do, okay?